Hi everyone and welcome to the Middle Room Workshop. Today I'm going to show you how you can laser engrave and cut with your NEJE Master 2S Plus directly through your phone. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, the previous time I've shown you how to install, set up and to actually launch some engravings through your desktop application. Today I'm going to show you how you can install two of the applications which are offered by NEJE and how you can use them. NEJE currently offers several types of applications. The two that are the most useful are the NEJE scanner. This will allow you to basically upload a picture from your phone directly into your desktop application, and then you can basically set and launch the engraving directly through your computer. This obviously implies that you have to be wirely connected to your NEJE machine. The other one, which I believe is also the most useful, is the NEJE application, and this is basically allowing you to basically do all the operation that you would normally do with the desktop application. As well, you can take pictures and more, and I will show you how to operate with this application. Unfortunately, the applications are not in the regular app store like the Google Play. So they are downloadable through their website, and you will basically download an APK that's basically an application for Android in my case, and then you will need to enable the phone to install the application, since the application is basically an outsourced. Alright, without wasting any more time, let's get into the computer and let me show you exactly what to do. Okay guys, here we are back again in my laptop. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is to have your NEJE Master connected to your computer through the data cable. After that, you want to run the NEJE application. Once it connects, you will see that on the corner the application will auto-generate a barcode, and by scanning this barcode with your phone, you will be directed to the website where you can actually download the APK of the NEJE scanner. So we'll do that with my phone right now. You will first need to go to your whichever tool you're actually using for scanning barcode. Okay, that was very quick. There we go. So you can have a look, scanner, then it says. So just click, and then for Android, just click on the barcode. Now your phone will most probably warn you because this is the source of this software is unknown. Just give it download and then confirm the download. Once it's ready, just put down your curtain menu. You will find it over here. Just tap on it, and now it will ask you whether you want to install. Yes. And once you're ready, just tap on open, so the application will open. Now he will ask you to scan once again the QR code, which is auto-generated from the software up there. So scan QR code. You will need to allow the application to take pictures and to access your gallery. So as you've seen, that was pretty quick. It picked it up straight away. So once it's ready, now you can either take a picture or you can choose a picture. So let me try by taking a picture of something. Once you are happy with the picture, you just give it OK. You can trim the part that you would like to be uploaded. Okay, and when you're done, you will click on done and upload. Upload successfully. Okay, and as you can see, the image, it's straight in the software and it's in the cutting wizard. So then you will need to basically go ahead and to follow the same instruction that I've already showed you in my previous video. So you can now, the second app, which I believe is the most useful one, you can find it through their website. Alternatively, you can go on the tutorial tab in the desktop application. Just select your machine. So in our case, it's the Master 2S Plus. Okay, and then you scroll down. You should find a table of content over here, and you will see under the download, you will find this NEJE Android app. If you have iOS, go for that. I have an Android, so I'll click on that. And then here you have a barcode that once again you can scan with your phone. Let me close this up. Let me go back. Make sure that it pick up the latest version, so the V2.5. So click on it. Once again, the phone is warning you up that the source is unknown. Just give a download. Give a download. That should take a matter of seconds once again. This is, yes, this is the one. So accept, install, open it up. You will need to grant some access to your camera, storage, and location. So now, as you can see, the application, let me go back to the control, right? So you basically have all you would normally have in the desktop application in a different format here in your phone. So you are able here now to load images. You are presented once again with a large gallery of graphics, drawings, the same way you had it in the desktop application. Once again with the drawback that you cannot search through it, you cannot filter anything. Then you will get your favorites. Okay, so this is some tests that I've done in the past. The other, you can write some custom text. Here on the bottom you will see you have text. So you can drag it around, you can rotate. Then on the bottom you can write something, okay? Or you can even doodle, okay? You can do small drawings, simple drawings obviously. Once you are happy with it, you just give apply. Then you can choose which one. In this case is a drawing that you made through the application, so they are both the same. And now you are basically prompt to set up the machine for laser engraving or cutting. So you can see the preview, and then you can push start when you are ready. All right, I'm now going to show you something that in my view is the most interesting feature that you get with the mobile application and you cannot do with the desktop application, and that is you can basically sketch something on paper, you can take a picture of it, and you can engrave it straight away on your material. So let me show you how to do that. All right, let's first take a piece of paper and let's sketch or doodle something on it. So we get this, and I will write something like hello, right? And then I will do some wave. Okay, so that's just for demonstration purpose. Okay, so that's what I'm willing to get engraved. Let's now get the application. So I'll first launch it. This is going to connect. All right, so what you want to do, you want to go to load image, then you want to go to picture, to camera, so that you can take a picture. Yes, select your camera that you want to use. So, and now I'm going to take a picture. Okay, all right, so when you're okay with it, just give okay. And now what you can do, you can crop the area that you would like to engrave. So you can use this preset alt ratios, but I'll do it manually. Okay. And when you're happy with it, just give OK. Now here you might want to change to set the width and the height of it, but I'm going to be okay with it. And and yet again you can doodle or write some text, but I'm okay with it as well. And give it a save. Now here you have the option. You can engrave the image as it is, or the software is smart enough to actually extract only the text. And as you can see, now we are ready. So now what you want to do, you want to check the preview, and what the preview will do is to show you exactly where this is going to be engraved. Okay, so if you're not happy with the area, let's say you are working on a large item and it's already placed on the bed, you can tap it and to drag it around. Okay, in my case I want to get it a little bit closer to the camera so that it can come better. Okay, while you are on preview, you want to place your material. So this is where I'm going to have the material. Bear in mind that before to do this operation, you will need to adjust the height of your laser module, and that's because you will need to put the beam in focus on the material. So in my case, I've already adjusted everything, so I'm not going to show you that to you now, but you can see it on my previous video. So now I'm happy with it. I'm happy with everything. I will say stop. Now here you can set up your laser power and the carving time. That's for me already enough. I can engrave in the material that I've placed beneath the laser. So when I'm ready with everything, I'll just give a start, and that should start. All right. And now we'll wait for it. Let's see, guys, if I can show you the engraving through the protective glasses. Kind of. I can get rid of the... All right. Something is coming up. So once it's ready, we can compare the engraved drawing with the handmade drawing, and just to see how it looks. All right, that's all over. Now the machine will back up to the home origin coordinate, so we can get the engrave, and there we have it, guys. And that looks exactly like the original one. Okay, everyone, and that was pretty much all. So as you can see, we can manage all our engravings and cutting through our smartphone if we would like. We have all the controls in it, and also some extra feature that is not built into the desktop application. And basically you will need the desktop computer only for the initial setup. After that you can unplug the data cable and you are good to go with your smartphone. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually create something of your own, and I mean actually designing something and then to cut or engraving some of the materials. Until then, if you like this video, don't forget to click the thumb up button below. If you have any comment, post them below, and if you would like to see more video like this one, don't forget to subscribe. Ciao for now.